Hi, Malik the Magic Guy, expertvillage.com. Now we're going to get into some crazier hats and add in some stuff. This is actually one called a double bow hat, and you can make it a triple if you want. I'll show you how to do that. We're going to start by making two bows out of two different balloons. You can use the same color if you want. I usually do it with different colors because it adds a little bit to it. So we're going to make our two bows, and I'm putting these on my arm to hold them. Then we're going to make our classic base type of hat that we've been making all along. And what we're going to do is put one bow balloon onto each end. Okay. So we have one on each section like this. So that makes a double bow hat. Now you can add an arch like we did before and put another bow on top. You could put a bow here and an arch with a bow. You can do all kinds of things, but this is another fun. You can wear it like this. You can wear it sideways like this. You can do all kinds of fun things, and you can even, there's a way to fit round balloons and hearts in here, so another one you can experiment with and have a good time, but that's another good basic shape, the double bow hat.